breaking all the rules. Whew. I'm thirsty. No, 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 no. Yes. Definitely A9. Oh, that'll be mine. A plus. Yeah, that's good to be in my throat. Just enough. Soda. What? Soda.
Hey man, are you gonna make it snappy? Cause I'm like missing Scooby-Doo 2. Hey buddy, I'm missing my movie.
Breaking all the rules tonight. There ain't no Chinese cuts. Beeatch! It's time to toss the salad.
My dad's a lawyer, cocksucker!
Cocksucker. Well, this cocksucker had his phone.